So here's what I ate and did in Breckenridge, Colorado. So when we headed over there, we stopped at a place called Toastique that makes these fresh juices, which were really, really good. This one was like grapefruit and orange. And we live pretty close to Breckenridge, and the drive is always beautiful. Then we got to our condo, and it's always so cozy and wonderful up there. And look at the trees just off the balcony. It was really, really pretty, and there was a bunch of snow. Then we decided to head to dinner, and we love eating at Piante's, which is our favorite vegan pizza place, guys. It is so good. We ordered the vegan lasagna pizza and the vegan truffle mushroom pizza. Like, I cannot tell you how amazing this stuff is. If you're ever in Breckenridge, head to Piante's. So then the next morning, I just had a bunch of fruit for breakfast because my stomach was a little off from all the pizza I'd eaten the night before. Then we decided to walk around town. It was nice and chilly, but always so, so beautiful. Then for lunch, we headed to our favorite vegan pho place, which is called Pho Real. It is so good, guys. Look at these massive bowls of noodles and vegetables. They're so good. Like, who doesn't love a big bowl of soup? I could eat soup every single day. There's my handsome husband, and he's eating some of those fresh spring rolls. They're so good. They're mostly vegetables. They're just really light and tasty, and they give you some Thai peanut sauce to dip them in. And then, yep, I ate that whole bowl, guys. I ate all of my spring rolls in that whole bowl. Then my son decided to get a vegan chickpea sandwich from Simplice Cafe, which is another one of our favorite places. Then we decided to drive over to Vail, which we love. The little town of Vail is so, so cute, and it's all decorated nice and pretty for the holidays. There's so much nature surrounding this whole area. You really, if you've never been there, it is definitely a place that you'll want to visit. Then we decided to walk over to Annapurna, which is one of our favorite Nepalese places. Oh my gosh, guys, and they can really make a lot of stuff vegan. We had some samosas, and then we had some vegetable korma, a bunch of rice and roti, some potato and cauliflower masala, and then the chana masala, which was so good. And we just kind of like shared it family style, and it was really, really delicious. They're so nice in there too, and they just love kids. So my daughter was getting tons and tons of attention from them. And my daughter loves their vegetable momos. These are so good. They're just kind of like a steamed vegetable dumpling. Then we decided to head back over to Breckenridge and go on the gondolas, which are free. You can ride the gondolas up and down for free. It's super fun. You get to see all of the scenery. It's beautiful. It's warmer in the gondola, so if you need a break from the cold weather, it's a great activity to do. There's my husband on the phone. And then that's it. We ended the day hanging out by the fire and playing some cards.